Hey Met Knight, I was wondering if... Can you, please, close the door when you do certain things?
Sorry.
Anyway.
Hello!
Oh, hell no!
Oh yeah, it's me, Bill Cipher, and I'm going to conquer the world.
Well, fight us if you have balls.
As you wish.
Get over here!
Damn, you're weaker than I expected.
N-O-O-O-O-O-O-O. You will pay.
Eat my plasma!
Okay, bro, today I'm tired and I don't want to kill two people. So we're going to do a roast battle.
You killed my bro. So prepare to be heavily roasted.
Anabolic beats.
Your mother is so fat that her middle name is Santa Claus.
Bitch, I killed her.
Can you see that big cloud?
Yeah?
Well, it's your fat and dead mother covered by my cum.
Do you know why you never met your mother?
No.
Cause she gave birth to a fucking moldy blueberry that's playing with that fucking sword that looks like a penis. Also, you let your bro and your master die. You failed as shit.
No, you're Mo. I can't. No, I failed.
Finally, after many years, the most waited era is coming. And now, knee to the weird Magadan.
No, I must defeat you.
How? You're only a moly, stupid, mega, ultra, hyper, failed fucking kid. I guess that now you arrived at the end. Any last words?
Everyone, I'm sorry. I failed.
What? Oh, hell no!
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm a live idiot, and I'm going to heavily roast you. First of all, the moldy Dorito goes around calling others moldy. Second of all, you've been defeated 3 times by two fucking kids. Third of all, you can't even understand if a person is dead or not. Fourth of all, you think that you're the strongest, but you're not even in the top 100. And fifth of all, you kill people only because no one loves you and no one wants to stay with you. Idiotic fool.